Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I'm Martha, and this is my Shabby Craft Studio. I appreciate you very much being here. Today I am doing a quick flip through of my latest journal. I'm calling it Ferns, Fungi, and Flutterbys. This journal was inspired by a page in a book that my friend who owns a used bookstore gave me. This is the page. I just had been in kind of a slump after returning from our trip, and I was not inspired, and we went out to breakfast with my friend and her husband, and she handed me this book, and as I was flipping through it, I knew this page was going to be my next journal cover. So I did, you can see a slight sheen to it. I did put a clear gesso over it because I didn't want the page to get ruined from use. So it is a little bit, it has sort of a shine to it, but not really because it's a matte gesso. That's just the light reflecting off it, but it does have a little bit of a cloudiness to it, but that just adds to the vintageness of it. So it is tied with a Tim Holtz clip, and this is the selvage edge of the canvas that I used to cover this with. It is made from 2 file folders glued together, so it's quite stiff. It's not a hard covered book, but it is a quite stiff cover. There are 3 signatures, and I have failed once again to count the pages, so I will list that below in the description. But I just wanted to do a quick flip through of this and show you what it has. So the inside has paper from a paper pack that I absolutely love. And I'm trying to use up my paper packs. So there are several pages in here from different paper packs. So I have varied the insides. This is from a Thomas Kincaid book, and each signature has a cover on it from the Thomas Kincaid books. I just love his paintings, and I just had to use them in here. So I collaged on the back of this page. This is tea-dyed paper. This is from another paper pack. I did a lot of stenciling and stamping in this one, and I used a lot of stickers in this one. I print my stickers, my images out on sticker paper, 8.5 by 11. I will I'll try to remember to put a link below where you can find them on Amazon. You may be able to find them in your office supply stores, but they are the 8.5 by 11 sheets, full-size sticker sheets. And I don't think I'll ever print ferns, mushrooms, or butterflies and dragonflies and little bugs out on anything but sticker paper from now on. They're just so fun to use. They're very transparent, and it's just fun. So, and this is stenciling and stamping, as I said. This is from a paper pad that I picked up. And then I altered some little paper bags, and these are a couple of flowers that I stamped and painted, and you could journal on the back of them. There's a beautiful journaling card with a dragonfly that I printed on cardstock, and then I painted it. And this is a journaling card with paper and a stamp on it. Here's one of the fern stickers. And some of the stickers that I've used are from Tailor Made Journals. And I absolutely love her mushrooms and ferns. This is one of my butterfly stickers and stenciling that I did on this page. Some more tea-dyed papers. This is a set of dictionary pages. I glued 2 dictionary pages together lengthwise, and I sewed them into the signature. And I used napkin that I have, and it says papillon, which is the French word for butterfly. And I actually have a papillon dog, so you know, I love butterflies. What can I say? So I decoupaged the napkin on, and I used one of my butterfly stickers. This is a journaling card that I had made previously and it fit in, so I wanted to use it. There's some of the mushrooms. There's washi tape in here as well. There's some of the mushrooms from Tailor-Made Journals. And this actually, let's see if I can get it all in the frame. This folds out. This is a little envelope on here. And I decoupaged, and this is another butterfly sticker. And it's a little card in there that came. I have a bunch of sets of envelopes that came with cards. So I'm trying to utilize them together. And more stamping and stenciling and stickers. And then there's a little pocket on the other side of this one. And there's some more stenciling and another one of the stickers, butterfly stickers I made. And some more tea-stained papers. Another one of the ferns. This is a page out of a gardening journal. This is another pocket, and this is the back side of that napkin decoupaged set of dictionary pages. And this is, I have a postcard stamp that I make these from. And this is a little piece of tracing paper down here with a little miniature tag in it. And this is decoupaged from a napkin and one of my stickers. And you can journal on the back. And then this is the back side of that. It's, again, decoupaged. This is actually printed on the napkin, and this is one that I printed out on a sticker paper. And then I put these pockets in here. They're made from book pages covered in paper. And this is a decoupaged napkin again. That's a stamp that I colored in. And this is a collaged journaling card. And that's the back of that paper. And I also used washi tape that I have. This is the back of the Thomas Kincaid page. And that's the back of that signature. And then this is the second and center signature. And again, another bag that I made with a card. And some more of my fern stickers from Tailor-Made Journals. And a little mini tag booklet in the front, and a postcard journaling card on the side. And again, I stenciled and then put one of my stickers, and this is another of the sticker. This one comes printed on the napkin, and again it says the Papillon, and another garden page. And more mushrooms. Coffee filter. This is a page out of a paper pad. And I stenciled on it again. And this is 3 different stencils. I have a butterfly stencil. I have a stencil that does lines. And then this is a Tim Holtz stencil down here. And this is one of my little butterfly stickers. And this is another fern sticker, and this is the other side of that napkin, and again one of my stickers. And this is paper from the antique Paperie that I put on there, and I folded it over and I made a pocket, and then little mini tag. And this is a hydrangea here, and this is some fabric with lace, and that's that. That's what happened. Thought there was something else in there for a minute. That's the center of the signature. And this again folds out. And this is some beautiful paper from Antique Paperie again. And there's some napkin and some Antique Paperie. And this is paper from a paper pad. And this is the napkin again with the butterfly on it. And another card. And that fits right here in this envelope, which again folds in. And that's the back of the napkin, which You could actually write on this if you wanted to, or you could put photos on there or glue something down that you liked. And again, stenciled. Some more tea stained paper, some more fungi, another garden journaling page, and a couple of more tags that are just popped into this little tiny side tuck spot here, and some more journaling space here. Lots and lots of journaling space in my journals. This is the back side of that napkin. This is again a double pocket. So you have pocket here and a pocket here. Again, made out of book pages. And then these are some cards that I had made up previously that fit in here. And this is another decoupage napkin. All journaling spots. This is from a paper pack. This is one of my tea-stained papers. And this is a collage sheet that I have made up, and some washi tape. And this is the back of the Thomas Kincaid page, and this is the third signature cover. And again, some more stickers, another bag that I altered. It says, "The Earth Laughs in Flowers." That's also from a little collection I made of quotes and sayings. And another decoupaged, and it says, "With brave wings she flies." And then a little fern covered. That's actually one of the stickers. Again, another one of my stickers on the decoupaged napkin. More journaling space. One of my butterfly stickers. And again, I stenciled on the back of this paper pad piece and put a little firefly sticker on there. This is a stamp that I have. And another napkin with another one of my stickers. And another postcard that can be journaled on. This is a stamp that I have, a new one. And another fern sticker in the center of the signature. And again, this folds out, and this is paper, antique papery paper. And another card, and they're all different. And this little firefly here, this little firefly here, I stamped that and then colored it in with watercolors. That's the word, watercolors. So this just folds up again. And this is the butterfly that comes on the napkin, and that's another one of my stickers. And this is the back of that sheet of paper from the paper pad. And again, stamping and stenciling and stickers here. And some more mushrooms. Another garden journaling page. Garden page. And another journaling card with a little pocket in the front. I just love the little hummingbird on this tissue paper. This is from tissue paper. And then I took threads. I made like a little nest out of them and put little pearls in there, so it looks like a little nest of eggs. And this was, now I have to find the pocket again. There we go. And again, this is from some of my own collage papers that I've copied. And the back of that with the decoupage napkin, which again could be written on. And the last double pocket with decoupage napkin, stamped card, little card with a little pocket with an extra tag in it, and another postal card. This one's a little bit larger to fit in the larger pocket. And the last of the Thomas Kincaid cover, and that's the inside back cover. So I hope you have enjoyed looking through this journal, and information will be below. And thank you for watching. I really greatly appreciate it. You all have a happy crafting day. Take care. I hope all is well in your world. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Thanks for visiting. Bye.